Our client was suffering from significant bottleneck on 3 identical screen chute underpans due to material build-up, hang-up from sticky feed ore. The ore was caking onto the biseloy parent metal surface on both sides of the screen underpan.
My name's Cameron MacDonald, Area Manager TS Global, and today I'll be demonstrating how quick, safe and simple the installation of Magnefast liners are.
As you can see, we're calling this the next generation of chute relining. Quick, reliable, main strategies have been improved immensely.
Just like that, a full screen underpan done in under 4 hours.